So if this rectangle represents the amount of peanut butter that there was in the pantry, 80 ounces, and the family ate 0.3, which could also be called 3/10, I could break this up into tenths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, they ate 3/10, so that means that this part goes away. So that's the amount that they ate, 0.3. What they have left here is 0.7. So to figure out how much of the 80 ounces they have left, you have to take your 80 ounces and your 0.7 and multiply them together. And that's the one that you want to select, 80 times 0.7 or 0.7 times 80. I think it's written on assessments like this, 0.7, big dot, 80.